Hey, I'm Kelsey Rose. I'm the lead food stylist here at HelloFresh. At HelloFresh, we believe cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the perfect roasted sweet potato in 60 seconds or less. All you need are 3 sweet potatoes, a baking sheet, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I like to use garlic, thyme, and a little bit of chili powder for some kick. Cut your sweet potatoes into about 2-inch pieces. These smaller pieces let them roast a little bit quicker. Add your sweet potatoes to a baking sheet and make sure that there's room between them to breathe. Next, you're gonna season your sweet potatoes. This is the best part. Do a drizzle of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then add your favorite spice blend. Roast your sweet potatoes at 350 for about 40 to 55 minutes or until they're fork tender. Once they're fork tender, it's time to enjoy. You can either eat them plain or you can get fancy and add some tahini and parsley on top. This recipe is foolproof. It's easy prep, easy cleanup, and it's all about the seasonings. Thanks for watching. To learn more amazing recipes, either check out our other videos or head over to HelloFresh.com.